We'll guide you through how to turn on and enable comments on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways you can go about this, so we'll cover the different methods for if you're the creator of the video and a viewer. So first of all, if you're the creator and uploader of the videos, we need to head to your channel. So press your profile icon in the top right and press YouTube Studio. Come to comment, and you want to come to the video you want to do this on. Go and scroll down. First of all, if it's made for kids, that's why comments can be disabled. So if it isn't actually made for kids, you can mark it as that. If it is, comments can't be on that video. Next, you can press show more and scroll down, and you need to make sure that comments are turned on. Come right to the bottom and you'll see comments. Make sure they're turned on like so, and then you can go and press save in the top right. You can also press settings in the bottom left, press upload defaults to the left, press channel to the left, and press advanced settings, and you can find you want to set your channel as made for kids, and you can go and change the overall setting here depending upon what you do. As a viewer on YouTube, to be able to view comments, press your profile icon in the top right and come down to restricted mode. If this is turned on, you can't go and see comments, so try turning it off.